In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add Google Photos. First, we will begin by downloading the Google Photos app. If you are using an Android device, navigate to the Google Play Store. For those on an iPhone or iPad, you will head to the App Store. Once there, you will see a search bar at the top of the screen. Type in Google Photos and press Enter. After a moment, the app should appear among the search results. On Android, you will see an Install button, while on iPhone or iPad, you will tap Get. Once you tap the appropriate button, the app will begin downloading. After installation, you will see an option to open the app. Tap on it to proceed. If prompted, sign in with your Google account to access your photos. This step is crucial as it connects your device to your Google Photos library. Next up, let's discuss how to add a different Google account to Google Photos. This feature is useful if you have multiple accounts and want to access photos from a different one. Open the Google Photos app that you just installed. In the top right corner of the screen, you will see your profile picture. Tap on it to reveal account options. If you have multiple accounts, you might notice a downward arrow next to your account name. If you do, tap that arrow to see a list of accounts. To add another account, look for the option that says Add Another Account. Tap on it, and you will be prompted to sign in. Enter the credentials for the Google account you want to add. Once signed in, you can switch between accounts by tapping your profile picture again. This flexibility makes managing multiple accounts seamless. Now that you have your account set up, let's move on to adding photos to Google Photos. Begin by opening the Google Photos app again. Make sure you are signed into the correct Google account where you want to store your photos. After signing in, you will be on the main screen of the app. Here you can view your existing photos or upload new ones. If you want your photos to upload automatically, look for the backup option. Turning on the backup feature means that any new photos taken will automatically be uploaded to your Google Photos library. This is an important step because it ensures that your memories are safely stored in the cloud without needing to do it manually. To upload individual photos, select the photos you want to add to Google Photos. You can do this by tapping on the thumbnails of the photos. After selecting your desired images, look for the backup option, which should appear at the bottom of the screen. Tap on it to begin the upload process. If the photos are not already backed up, this action will ensure they are stored securely in your Google Photos library. It is reassuring to know that your images are not only saved but can be accessed from any device logged into your Google account. By following these steps, you will have successfully added Google Photos to your device, managed your accounts, and uploaded your cherished images. Remember, using Google Photos not only frees up space on your device, but also provides a safe place for your memories. Thank you for watching, and I hope you enjoy using Google Photos to keep your memories alive.